Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with two heavyweights: the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001. Get ready for a showdown that'll make your floors sparkle. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Power Fresh is priced around $92, making it a budget-friendly choice that many reviewers appreciate for its effectiveness in cleaning textured ceramic tile floors. Reviewers mention that it offers great value for the money, especially for those who want a reliable steam mop without breaking the bank. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 comes in at $139. While it's a bit pricier, many users swear by its versatility and efficiency, making it worth the investment for those who need a more powerful cleaning tool. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Sanitization. The Bissell claims it can eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which is great because who wants to dance with germs? Reviewers have shared that it does a commendable job, but some have noted that it may not completely remove years of buildup. On the other hand, the Shark also sanitizes effectively, with many users praising its ability to tackle tough stains and its thoughtful features. One review highlights that it's a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining a clean and hygienic home. Let's talk steam control. The Bissell has a SmartSet steam control that lets you choose between high, medium, or low steam, which is a feature many customers love for its versatility. Reviewers appreciate the adjustable steam levels and removable water reservoir for easy filling. Meanwhile, the Shark also offers 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep. Users have expressed that this feature is particularly helpful for different cleaning needs, making it a versatile tool for floor maintenance. Now, for scrubbing power. The Bissell features a flip-down easy scrubber, which is perfect for tough messes. Reviewers have mentioned that it effectively removes grime without the need for a scrub brush. But the Shark? It boasts over 150 scrubs per minute. Users love its ability to tackle sticky areas and tough stains, making it feel like having a tiny cleaning crew at your disposal. One reviewer even mentioned how it transformed their cleaning routine into a much easier task. Design-wise, the Bissell features a 23-foot power cord and swivel steering, which many users appreciate for its maneuverability. It's noted that it can turn well in tight spaces. Shark, on the other hand, has a sleek design with headlights to reveal hidden dirt. Reviewers find this feature particularly helpful, as it makes it easier to spot messes that might otherwise go unnoticed. One user humorously referred to it as CSI Floor Edition. In summary, both the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 have their strengths. The Bissell is favored for its affordability and practical design, while the Shark is praised for its advanced scrubbing power and versatility. Overall, users appreciate both products for their cleaning effectiveness, but preferences vary based on individual needs and budgets. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, Bissell is your best bet. But if you want a powerful cleaning tool with more features, then go for the Shark. Remember, whether you pick Bissell or Shark, your floors will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.